coming straight back. Watch the clearance. Okay, hold it right there. Cut your engines.
Section C is clear.
Guide them towards the feeding troughs.
Everything looks normal on the spleen.
Good, I'll update the digital records now.
Check the intake on trough 7.
Looks stable. The automated dispersal is working perfectly.
The flow rate on station 3 is slightly lower than the others.
Yes, but the intake levels are stable across the herd. The alpha line is clear for entry. Start the misting sequence. Sequence initiated. Brushes engaging on stall 3.
The meticulous care of the American Black Bison requires patience and precision.
The growth metrics on this group are exceeding projections.
Yes, the adjusted protein intake is working. The 8K scan confirms the muscle density.
The scan looks good, Doctor. No abnormalities detected.
Excellent. Let's move on to the vitals and clear this one.
Vitals are strong across the board.
All right, let's move him through. We're clear here.
Cycle 37 is initiating. Water pressure steady. Acknowledged. Brushes engaging on target 1.
Moving the scope around the curve now.
Okay, I'm seeing that reading on the monitor here. Looks good.
Another flawless cycle in Sector Gamma. The specimens are thriving. Incredible uniformity. The premium care routine is a complete success.
Ensure the brushes maintain optimal pressure. We need to keep the line moving efficiently.
Maintaining the thick fur requires specialized equipment and careful attention from our dedicated team. Scan on Subject 24 confirms stable vitals across the board.
The biometric overlay looks clear. We are ready to process.
R6 sector ventilation is holding steady at 20 degrees Celsius. Confirmed. Oxygen levels are optimal across the board. Inside this massive modern facility, we utilize state-of-the-art systems to ensure the health and comfort of our herd. Scan complete. Vitals look excellent.
Confirmed. All clear for transport.
The first stage of Project Black Bison is complete. The herd is thriving in their new sanctuary.
See this stress fracture here.
Yes, that one needs to go into the secondary pile.
Ensure the length is recorded first.
The internal structure here is remarkable. Look at the density. Yes, the keratin alignment is flawless.
I'm particularly impressed with the detail on this curve.
It meets the premium standard.
The spacing on this comb seems inconsistent with the design specifications.
Yes, I see the microabrasion here. It fails the finishing standard.
From raw horn to these exquisite pieces, we are proud to present the finest luxury goods from ManufactureXplore. The hides move through our automated lines, meticulously sorted by both robotic precision and expert human touch.
The gauge is reading 3.2 millimeters here. That meets the specification for the bison grain.
The Black Bison hides are fed into the splitting machine, where advanced digital systems ensure a precise, uniform thickness for our premium leather. Check the pH levels on drum 4.
Levels are stable, optimizing enzyme bath duration.
The pH is holding steady at 5.
Good. The stabilization seems complete.
The measurement holds steady at 2 millimeters. Excellent. The flexibility is perfect too.
Let's send it to the next stage.
The tensile strength here is exceptional, well within the premium tolerance.
Agreed. The grain consistency is perfect for the new line. The magenta saturation is slightly low on this batch.
Let me check the calibration on the scanner settings.
Precision is paramount. Across the line, technicians meticulously stitch the iconic panels.
Look at this seam, Maria. Perfect tension. It's ready for the World Cup.
Look at the deviation here, barely perceptible across 5 cycles. That confirms the aerodynamic stability we hypothesized.
To meet professional match standards, the weight and circumference are meticulously checked by our certified digital equipment.
Check this seam under the light.
Looks solid. No discrepancies on the panel alignment either.
Good. The finishing quality is superb.
The stability is exceptional at peak velocity.
Agreed. The aerodynamics are performing exactly as modeled.
The data confirms quality standard 1.4 compliance.
Perfect. This batch is cleared for distribution.